24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the children's responsibility towards their parents. Encourage the children to tell how they can take care of their parents. Ask them to talk one by one. Now, show the picture of an igloo and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of an igloo. It is white and its name is Igloo. Ask the children if they can tell about it. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that igloo is known as snow house. Now, show to the class a picture of an insect and frame the question like you have asked about the igloo. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter I and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter I, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letter I with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Let's learn about a letter today. Sing along and you will say it's so easy to learn. My name is I, my sound is E. I, E, E, E. My name is I, my sound is E. I, E, E, E. E, E, igloo. E, E, ing. E, E, insect. My name is I, my sound is E. I, E, E, E.
Write letter I on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter I and it says A. Say the sound of letter I. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I, ice cream.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter I activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write letter I on the middle lines and give instructions. Start at the middle and draw a straight line touching the 3rd line. Then go above the middle and make a small dot. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter I with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace letter I in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize I. Reinforcement worksheet of letter I can be downloaded from the following website: www www.snowmanpublishers.com.